Ebintu asama buriya yuakire omoroka buna bono ebintu by'ubwagaci buna amabati emisumari chisimiti chichuma nechirangi egati ebintu binde binge wigo ninjubu kumbure chindangira buna bono amasi ya mandazi aliyo kuruga emechere chisukari amabuta y'ichinyeni egati amamunyuranda mangi ayuri kumburira sedihurira mu buko bitobeyo byo gutumika asenga buna bono chisabune chitisho chipampas egati binde binge byo gutumika asenga aserigurira mu buko ninjubu kumburira ya onsi asitituka cha Uhuru Superstores imeyo mu cy'ubusongo litukone yuma y'itariki ya 2023 yane Black Friday tebyo musani twenyorere amamunyire ya Christmas gengyo imeya Uhuru Superstores.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Omwanchwa omurigereria ne marago bengia na kwariganirie keonga chinsa ibere ekerere etichirimo chitariki 24 mutinyo 10 mu mwaka yoiga tunyara gusangamo naye aria atekire mina isuka yorogongo rwagusi ase ensemo yimanyero ningo tukubwatirana na Wilson Makori elia nenkoro kwa dipo na sanya kenda amona inche goika omwelio kurende totora ya chaka senchira ya bene tiatu ya chaka senchira yoko ya chuta.
Ikifika kwa wakati wa maisha ya wananchi wa Kenya, kama serikali imechukua hatua na hiyo hatua haifanyi kazi, si tuzungumze tu ukweli and we be honest to each other and say this thing is not working, let's improve it.
Omokonyi bwo murayo monene w'ikiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i kogenderera kumuche serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
Mimi nimeona hii siasa ya kasongo ya ujinga, ya fujo, ya kupiga watu mawe ni siasa ambayo imepitwa na wakati. Sindio?
Siasa chomwelio aseji by election niko chigenderete kubwata inse chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya.
About the collections from the hospitals. So all we are saying is that we should see the evidence. I doubt anybody sitting on that side banks with CDM.
Omoseneta bwe county ya Kisiri Jadonyo Nkano omoseneta Nairobi Edwin Sifuna gosoka kurwase kamati ya seneti. Obwagachi wechinyomba choboraro inse yo murobilyo bwobwagachi chinyomba chirigorire inse nigora chigo chaka amatuko abwangaiga ayega nkorengana no mubunge Onyaribari Chache Zairi Janda oyurero ikirana ase eskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic nabo igo nabarai gusaba bisakuru ase serikali nene abo bakorotote mirobilyo yobwagachi wechinyomba asate birenga aborokigwa angechimi isano na isato nigo barachigo konyeka gwetera somurobilyo ywe ayamaega yo muraibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto koena na eira aikendi yaeta chinga kiarenga samasabo ime ye kanisa ya go Omwancho murigereria tigansabo kwa beraso tuwa mwana wechibicha gochaka kurwase county ya Kisii obwagachi wechinyomba choboraro inse yo murobuli wechinyomba chirigoriria inse nigo chiratigo chaka kwagachwa amatuko abwangoiga aya maiga yo mubunge Onyaribari Chache Zairi Janda gokoleta rogochia ase Polytechnic Kisii National Polytechnic nabo igo nababisa kurwa ase serikali nene abo bacha korotota orogongorwe asogo chaka kwa wacho gwichinyomba ekyo ekyo bono aborokiwa chimi isano na isato barachigokonyeka gwetera sobwaga chiobu ayumaega yomurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto koria ira yaye weekend yega yaeta chinga kiarenge asamasabo imse ye kanisa ya Gospel Embassy me county ya Kisii unatokomanywa n'umuriki ito Daniel Ontiri
nama tukaberuka aetire kuri umurai wense araria ugochakigwa gwechinyomba cy'uburaro ese omurobelio gwechinyomba cy'erigorire inse chingaki cy'umuyaga wekanisa ime ya Kisii weekend yaeta
pale Kisii National Polytechnic tunajenga hostels ya watoto 1,200.
Murobelio nigororekanire gochaka kobeka matunda aserero inse y'oburai bumubungo nyeribari chache Moskeza Erijanda abo bisakuru ase serikali bayikire nase skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic ase barata asubwaga chobo bora chigo chaka nagokoreka asa matuka make ari bosyo getambokero janda amentabuna ikigange chigokonya nonye nabasae konyura mabaga yechigasi.
Here we are today looking at least around 800 for the first phase. I can assure you we will have more and more. So to the President and the Government of the Republic of Kenya, ours is to say thank you. The contractor is on site. We want to ask the contractor to please give an opportunity to the people of Nyaribari Chache to get jobs during this period.
Oboteneri weskuruiga nikuboigo wagokere getambukereke borokyo mogoko bogokia serikali ya bono.
We want to say thank you very much, Mheshimiwa, our area member of parliament, for standing with Kisii National Polytechnic and having visited us here last week. And we requested him to prevail upon the president so that we can have the hostel, so that we can improve the security of our student. And today, less than 1 week, we are standing here, handing over the site for the construction of 800 hostel capacity for students. Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Thank you, the Ministry of Housing and Planning. And thank you, His Excellency, the President, for giving us, the students of Kisii National Polytechnic, an opportunity to have decent hostel.
Ubwagachubuga asense mentangani nigobora chigokorwa inse yumwako yomo nenuso asaborokiwa gwetane chimisa na isato barachikonyora chinyombe chiga chinya korenganigwa nabono asaborokiwa chimenye boka bwate asibakorara imiye skuru.
Mine is to appreciate to the government for giving us these hostels to our institution. For us, we are happy for the Mheshimiwa Said Chanda. As you are going to sit with the Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, tell him we are together and we are going to work with him. As the Kisis, we love him too much and we want to assure him that it is 2 term.
Nkurubutere gatasene kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii litere nguruko Daniel Ontiri.
Omokonyi bw'omurai bwe kiama gya Jubilee omoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i oyiwe gore neganga yo guchikorigia ekirogo ky'oburai bwensa sobochori bore bosyo bwe mwaka bwe 2025 nigo bona rorekanire gusiniga genderera sentunda yende komochia serikali ya Kenya kwanza asakwanira igoro yo murobelyosha asateba nigo obwenderete kurututu nainde ryogo ikirana ekerengo keria abakenya baganirie konyora bunenchire yemo yo kubasira guseko bachinga kichingororo asokonyora obokoreri korwa ase chinyagitari.
Universal health care is what government strives to do. Whether that is going to come through reforms of the National Social Insurance Fund and the work we are doing in the World Bank in that trajectory, or it's going to come through a method, this SHAB system, is a matter that needs to be debated. But clearly the approach the government has taken is not working. So it's time to step back and look at how best can we make that work. Because the objective of UHC is noble and it's good. That's what most governments in the South, including ours in Jubilee, had. But we had adopted a different method. The approach that the current administration has adopted doesn't work. And you see now, this is why you will not hear me in public spending time insulting people and engaging in condemnation. I would rather that we debate this issue. It is not working, and the evidence is abundant. And if it's not working, let us then fix it. Let's work on a way that can fix it and improve the livelihoods of our people. That's what we do. That's what we should do. And when it comes to fixing that problem, sio siasa eti ni huyu ama ni yule mwingine. Wakati mwingine na sisi pia kama wananchi, hata kama viongozi, tuangazie masuala ya watu wetu. You know, sio kila siku ni siasa. Tunabishana ndio, tuna maoni tofauti ndio, tuko kwa vyama mbalimbali ni sawa, lakini ikifika kwa wakati wa maisha ya wananchi wa Kenya, kama serikali imechukua hatua na hiyo hatua haifanyi kazi, si tusungumze tu ukweli and we be honest to each other and say this thing is not working, let's improve it. Lakini sio eti huyu akisema it's not working ni kwa sababu anatuchukia. Hakuna chuki hapa na hakuna siasa. It's everywhere you go. Nyinyi mnaishi na watu, mmepata wapi mahali watu wanawaambia SHA is working?
Chingaki etigareta matuka tato elio chikuro chichi wakwa cheji by election gosobo cholio boke ase chiwodi ao anene meye county ya Nyamira nigo abaruanele gosaba tiotereria abeki amakia UPA abo bakomo koboko Chris Osiemo beso kire bunenchire yamo yoko mwakereko kuna kuboli abana inchi bensemeywe komo chora bunenchire yamo yoko arokia amaskani gocha somoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi ababunge korwa sorogongo rwagusi bakorwa wano mubunge okitutu masabo musike Cliff Gesairo o mubunge okitutu chache South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi amona baraibande ni gobaikirana bunenchire yamo yoko mwakereko ko Chris asebano babolirie abakenya kotwara omorembe anechinga kichi kabagende kwirigania asobo cholio boke boli bosyo buno tokumanywa no muri kyoito Fatiga Digisemba.
Ewodi ya Nyamaiya nigo ebituo 19 biraje gutumika ase owakira chikura litiko ryatichikane eiki eye abwase abantu gwetane achiribu 15 nemo baraje konyora libaga ryoja komochora omo MCA obo
Arambe Arambe
Wananchi leo sisi tudumishe amani. Tarehe 27 tuamka asubuhi na mapema tumpigie Chris Osiemo.
Nigo ritiko rya rero chikampeini cyanyarire gweika omwerio bene na abarwaniriri ao bagendereire gukora siasa cyabo. Umurwaniriri bw'ikiama kya UPA asierieta Chris Osiemo nigo agenderera na siasa yaye na kugenderera gwiyakira ekoko bosyo bw'echikura echo ritiko rya Aramisi.
Gozo mura bantu baitanye Maria goze muete lija ende gento kene gya kabiri ono no tuli no yo minto Matiangi kobwati mole Matiangi kabisa ono keremo teto kobwati Matiangi kidali ki 27 mobwende to gwakero Osiemo
Ukwana akura Nyamaiya nigo mubunge okitutu chache South omoske Anthony Kibagendi amonoria obumachoge barabu omoske Obadia Barongo baira chinga kiecho na kumwakira ekoko Osiemo na gotebya abantu ba Nyamaiya buna
Intu titolikoliera njoke ki
Molero
nagesa kugiitonge konyara kogoruki
Chibesa
abantu ba mintombu ya mole onye bomachoge bora buyanchire nga Chris Osiemo abo mo MCA ga inumwange
ya ogwakero Montorionde obegete t-shirt ya yellow igo mwakere William Ruto ese yeye igere between Fred Okengo Matiangi na William Ruto nto iwana ine oinali no hoteli mwagenda mwaragero lakini ekere kwarageire no tigara goteras mairon oina nenka moche ga kimobwate si omwana ominto okoroku Chris
Chingaki echecho nigo mubunge okitutu masaba omoske Clive Ombanegisairo abamochia abaraibe bya mabinde ase chikampeini echiga chobochori oboke na gotseba buna nigo yaikire engakyo mogusi tobwenerete korokia obomo bwaito
echama kerina kiato chorete lakini kigacha como tayayu machonche na Kibagendi na Barongo torega toiwananire torikogasu Tobuaterane, tobe que chikura ese Chris Osiemo.
Nere candidate of Fred Okengo. Nyamaya ne bedroom yango. E bedroom ya Fred. Tomwaterane. No tore gatare shina saba. Tore de chikura. Tore ngo chikuna.
Hinko ripota Gatembe koroiga Nyamaiya yegotoka meye bunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Isemba
Chingaki lituko lya rero lyarenge lituko lya mwelio lyogokora ji campaign anene ase chiwodi chibwate by election ase kiyeiga nigo barwanirira aho bagenderete gwakire koko baria bakurwanirira birogo aho anena sensemo imeye ward ya Nyansiongo county ya Nyamira nigo omurwanirira bwe kiama inse kiama kia UDA Dennis Kebaso abaga gwakirwe koko nabarai anene kurwa serikali abo barorekana komochia United Opposition abo bagendete komochia serikali asebano baburirie abananchi kwa serikali amagoro aso gwakira omurwaniriro UDA Dennis Kebaso chikura elio banyare kogendera konyora amagendero chinsemi cyubuno tukumanywa no mulikyo ito Paul Kapokara
ngete gasigari bunge kambeka number 1 ase list akoro kuraina Amolo Odinga naenda riria soete broad based agateba ekerogo ke chairperson original integration akaanga incho mwana mogusi taeti ondewensi inche na bete the first chair lady ase committee ya bunge okoba ya Raila Amolo Odinga baba iga anchete wagusi sana igonta gete momoroki gari aseare momotebi asante baba moko wa Martin Kibore Bora Chikura taibo Gego Thursday 27 asibui na mapema moko genda segetuo mwate wa Kibore ime bakariri bako bara Chikurechu Chelsea pino chirase Kibore saibo watu wetu Jodala mimi ninawaomba kwa niaba ya baba kwa niaba ya ODM kwa niaba ya Simba Arati kwa niaba ya Martin Kibore tafadhali wekeni kura kwa Martin Kibore kwa sababu yeye ndiye atahakikisha ya kwamba anawachunga sawa. Na niko na salamu pia, nimekuja na salamu ya national chair wetu Mama Gladys Wanga. Ako pale Kasipul, anafanya kazi Kasipul kuchunga hiyo kura ya kijana yetu Boyd, lakini aliniambia nikifika hapa niwasalamie. Mmepokea salamu ya Mama Gladys Wanga? Hebu nione furaha Mama Gladys Wanga. Na mumeona huku Nyanza baba alihakikisha ya kwamba amepatia vijana barubaru wakuwe national leaders pale kwa chama yetu. Gladys Wanga national chairperson, Simba Arati deputy party leader. Si Nyanza iko sawa? Sasa mnataka sisi tuonyeshe wengine ya kwamba ODM iko Nyanza? Hiyo sitakuwa aibu. Kwa hivyo hebu nione kura ya Martin Kibore, hebu nione kura ya Martin Kibore. Hebu onyesheni kwa picha ndio wakiona kwa video wanajua mko imara.
Omwachumo ligerera ningona sabiro kwa berasu gutumana wechibicha kolinde asense moyende asentunda ya kabere omo waziri omukoro Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nigo agendereire kubwatuka enkwana ya yoguchia saba menyibe county ya Nyamira asakwanire gore ya siasa na kuboria abamenyibe nseme yochinga kyobo chorio bokebore bosio banyare gokorobo chorio bwo pore na maskani onde tarwani onde nabo igonde tabasa gutumeka mangana yokuramya ayuara gere koreta chiburaburwa anena secingaki abantu barachiwaka chikura.
So by elections and an electoral action such as is going on in the country is that one moment when all of us have to be very careful. Now, that is not the job of the politicians alone or the actors. IBC is critical in this matter. And then how IBC conducts itself and conducts the election is fundamental. So if IBC is going to look the other way around and allow voter bribery, blatant voter bribery that is going on by government, allow violence, such as we have seen, such as happened in Kabuchai, against the George Natembeya, and so on. We are courting disaster. And when I heard yesterday that the police are saying that Natembeya stage managed that act, it's very shameful. I mean, I don't want to use negative terms, but it's very shameful to hear that kind of thing. I keep saying this every day, and all of you are smart people, guys. There's nobody in this world called opposition. All of us have names. And secondly, I've been a minister before. Government does not make allegations. Government acts. I can't make allegations as a cabinet minister or as a senior police officer. I can't say, I suspect she is organizing. No, I arrest you and take you before a competent court of law and say, my evidence is A, B, C, D. It's upon you to prove that I'm wrong. That's what you do. So you see, for things to happen, such as happen, if indeed the police or government are convinced that what happened in Kabuchai was a stage-managed affair, who has stopped them from arresting those who are involved in that stage-managed affair?
Omokonyi bw'omurai bwensi omukuru Rigathi Gachagua boigoni gakora etaro yaye gwika ase county ya Narok asare wakire koko murwanire wekire kyobo MCA ya township inseye kiama gia DCP oyubono onyara komochia serikali ya Kenya kwanza kubwatikana nechiburaburwa cyabachiko enekigwa chingaki aregosoa asomuchyo yo Onarok omugaso orero.
Sifanye mkutano hapa. Ati polisi wanaweka roadblock nisingie Narok. Nimefika sijafika. Nimefika sijafika. Hii serikali ya Kasongo inaogopa mimi Rigiji. Inaniogopa zaidi. Ati polisi zaidi ya 1,000. Ati wanizuie kufika Narok. Ndio niongee na watu ya Narok. Harambee. Harambee. Msiogope, hii ni vijana wachache. Hiyo vijana, hiyo ni watu wachache sana. Mudile na hawa vile natakikana. Na msiogope, na msiuzue uoga. Mama Zai oye, Narok oye, Maskode oye. Maskode ataingia. Hii ujinga mumefanya leo ndio itafanya Maskode apite asubuhi. Si ndio? Si ndio? Atapita. Mimi nimeona hii siasa ya Kasongo ya ujinga, ya fujo, ya kupiga watu mawe ni siasa ambayo imepitwa na wakati. Si ndio? Si ndio? Wangapi wanasema Maskode. Si ndio? Si ndio? Sisi tutauziwa wanga kweli? Hata mkitupa mawe. Kura ya watu ya Narok mtafanyia nini? Si kura muko naye? Si mtapigia Maskonde? Bona wewe Ole Ntutu na Kasongo mnataka kulazimisha watu ya Narok ati wapigie mtu yenu kura. Kwani kura itapigwa na nguvu? Harambee! Harambee! Maskonde anatosha atoshi? Aingie asiingie? Hii ujinga ya Kasongo muko naye ndio itafanya wewe kuwe one term. Si ndio? Harambee! Harambee! Kasongo ni one term, si one term. Ole Ntutu ni one term, si one term. Maskonde asiingie. Aongee asiongee. Wacha tumpatie Maskonde.
Yamono sana umwanchwa umurigire kerto ndoko sanga ya tekire chingaki yarengeri tukorio mweli osokokora chi campaign ananase chigwodi chibwata chi by election gosoba chorio boke ananekura se county ya Nyamira kogenda se ward ya Nyansiongo omurwanira bwe kiama kya UDA Dennis Kebaso nigo abakagwa kirweko kona barayi ananekura se serikali abo bamochia opposition soko mochia serikali kirengaki asababa bolire kwa serikali chingaki chingororo iliyo banyarwikirania emiremo nabwo kuburia bamenyi benseme yo kwa kero murwaniriro yo chukura unenjira ye moyo konyora amagendera chinseme cyo na tokumanywa no muri kito Polycarp Okara
ejingaki amatuka agendrete kwengekana bosibo bachorio boke imeye chinsemo ime wadi ega ya Nyansiongo chinga kirituko lya lero lya lengirituko lyo mweli lyo gwaka ekoko yani chika campaign igababwata ni berombeli ya UDA abo bako ya serikali okoboko banyarako bakole siasa cyabo ime ye chinseme chiga chigeti kyamenyenya nanene asoma rwaniriri Dennis Kibaso we chama ya UDA arachkunyarako bagawaka ekura yaye
lituko lya Lamis abantu baminto gakimondo usyo buso akina atebelia barayi baminta yanga tokorangeria abantu baitu bonsipi abego toke kona nire tutaraika baichega iga totebaniria iga nalio ndatache gutambira nganchike basutantebe
kwanekere kyo niko bagendere kwa bakubabulia bamenye kura chinseme chiga cya Nyansiongo kwene kibunango mwabareke baso chikura elio anyarako bagagotabukya elitemo lyaye
eboli ichuma ekere wakeire kwago kilo soro ose kwage chilo soro ngakyo chikwa bayigore para lituko lya ichuma nakyo chikwa bayigore skuru lituko lya ichuma nakyo chikwa bayigore ya mache lituko lya ichuma ose bara bamendo bali
ningana mokolengana mona kibasagendere kwa bagakubabulia monoko boko wako mosi kwene kibuna nkuigwa bale elio giliga lya babwatanya abega ba UDA elio agendere ko bagako bakorere gasi eyo achageti
ko babolie kerogo rasimali tanga nimba reason why ntene ine na ende asenge njanye kwangete gasi emyaka etane gansinya timbwati reason ngotena igana ende ugosabe kura kusaba abantu baminto ekero mwanga chikura 2017 2022 abantu baminte ward ya Nyansiongo was rated the best asamangana transparency in bursary distribution Kibaso naligere limolikwa naligere limomenyi ngabagira abantu baito chibasari buya kero omuntu olego chali netoka no yota agerete Kibasekura nale okorento kieke igale konyore basari egere tengo genda any part of this ward nanyoro mungino ngonde ingo mugambi omwana oli kwaete basari oetire bono ochire university bantu baminto namba ibere
asinse muyende ababwatanya abaganiko bagendere ko babako bamocha nanene abarayi bali bako benge serikali nabo baraserombe ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i asi siasa chabo ichibagendere ko babagwaka ejo kolengana mona barabo chitabwati boita bonde bwensi
ugo sabe kura gukora mu mungino monene umungino uyo no umungino bwo monto orokiro bakakorera mu gutora na masikani kura mu mungino mangana makongo ayigono kwaramira bangira bonse banyamira abantu aba bangira kitokuiba abantu abayichire ganga kikuiba chikura abantu aba bose no bagocha kwakekura neke wanja my friend mupiro nyako chieso wabwe onye refaritaro chini nyose ko bakosa na azo iri gocha rinke gocha
nigo bahagendere ko bako babolia bamenye kura sinseme chiga kwane kibunango abale serikali rabisi amagoro elio enyariko bageko bayikiranirya amagenderero au egento biyake manya kantebuna 2 term
university nera bosteyo university nera tabanya bosteyo tunto libobuatinki eto kobuati chinchoke warwara
ono yekerandi gekurageri Kenya yekerandi Kiamabera William Ruto paka 2027 in fact paka 2032 ono tokuo yekerandi eke ngombe ne tachi ne bekarurieme ngombe ne tare yeria agasi 2027
bono amaisonsi nigarach kunyara kabaga komoleka egikirach kunyara kabaga kobana bwegonga kyobocholi bobo kaborach kunyara kabaga gokolekana oburu beri gokolekana Alhamisi ye wiki yega estariki 2025
ono tokuo yekerandi eke ngombe ne tachi ne bekarurieme ngombe ne tare yeria agasi 2027
igingo ripote rigitaseni kya uwanjite kya Getembe kurugiga segeteke kyamenyenya ime ye ewadiga ya Nyansiongo ebunge ne yabora we county ne ya Nyamira inchigo nkuru kwa Polycarp ukara
omokonyi bw'omurayi bwense omuske Professor Kithure Kindiki nigasegeta omurembe anene ase chikampeni chiaye asaboririe abantu banyare kuraria omurembe chinga kibago chigokora obochoria so gwaka chikura chinga kiecho nigakwana are chinga kyale wakire koko oyo kurigie kerogo kyobojumbe ase bunge ya Mbeere North leo wa mtende asate banga nigere by'abantu banyare kubwatisia serikali elio konyora magenderero chinsemo ao
Mimi nataka niwaelezee wananchi wa Mbeere North, serikali itatoa usalama wa kutosha kuhakikisha kwamba wewe na familia yako utaenda upige kura kwa amani na urudi nyumbani uendelee na shughuli zako. Hakuna mtu ako na ruhusa ya kukulazimisha ati usiende kupiga kura. Kura ni hiari yako na ni haki yako. Haiwezi nunuliwa, haiwezi zuiwa, ni haki yako ya kiumungu. Mungu ndiye amekupatia hiyo haki. I want to assure you there will be total and complete security across Mbeere North on Thursday to make sure every young person, every old person, every man, every woman can go to the polling station and vote peacefully and go back home. Na wale wamekuja hapa na vijana, sijui vijana 200 hapa wako na majembe na silaha. Wacha tupimane nguvu yenu na nguvu ya serikali ya Kenya. I dare you. Kwa sababu mmekuja hapa na mnafikiri mtaleta fujo, ndio wananchi waogope kwenda kwa kupiga kura haki yao. Mujaribu Thursday. Kabla ya saa 12 tutakuwa tumemalizana na nyinyi. Kwa sababu mnapimana nguvu na serikali ya Kenya. Ama namna gani jameni? Si serikali ni ya kulinda wananchi? Si ya kulinda wananchi dhidi ya wakora? Hawa wakora wajaribu. Thursday tuko chonjo, tuko macho. Na mimi naongea nikiwa naibu wa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Niseme nisiseme? Every citizen will leave their home, vote and go back peacefully. If you are men enough, try that monkey business. Tamalizana na nyinyi. Then huko. Nakuja kututisha hapa nyumbani kama nini? Siko serikali Kenya hii. Kama mko na nguvu kuliko serikali ya Kenya, mujaribu Thursday.
Omo Senator we county ya Nyamira Edwin Sifuna no mo Senator we county ya Kisii Honorable Richard Mumaimo Nyonka nigo barokia okogechiwa kwabo ime ye committee ya Senate chingaki baringe asege ikaro maega yoko morora gose maega yomo Professor Margaret Kamal korolekana kumwegerera omugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja asege ikarekyo aingana yabairira barabuo gosoka batakoreti egeikarikyo bagenda bagetigera nchira.
Base or deposit base of trillions of shillings would not be able to extend those facilities.
Oh, they completely refused. Completely.
Okay, that's what we're saying.
They completely refused.
I think we just need the evidence.
We'll show you.
That is all we are saying.
But
yeah. Chair, I'm worried that a number of our questions have taken us off the questions on the list to the extent that we have not reached 50%. I would suggest that we go through so that we don't reinvite on the very questions. If we have to finish in an hour, we allow the governor to go through what we asked him, then we get our comments, then we finish, because we are at item 5 of CIDP and we still have another more than, we are not 50%. So if we can allow him to go through all the remaining, then we can make comments.
I thought you have done almost everything.
We have, Chair. And in fact, that question arose out of a conversation we had here about the collections from the hospitals. So all we are saying is that we should see the evidence. I doubt anybody sitting on that side banks with CDN. I'll be very shocked.
Chair, let's not personalize this question.
I'm just saying.
You know, I don't know what grade the senator has.
Chair, it's not fair for the senator of Nairobi to take over the committee.
Please.
Please allow us to go through our program the way.
This is not about Elgeyo Marakwet. This is about Nairobi. When your governor is here, you will take over.
We also live here. We also live in Nairobi.
She's not from
What
so you are not answerable to the
She's not from Elgeyo Marakwet.
Who do you answer?
We cannot allow the senator of Nairobi to divert us from our agenda. So as a committee chair, can you guide us and we finish our agenda?
Chair, I don't think anybody in this committee should be a gatekeeper for anybody.
Correct.
We are here to get the facts, and the facts will set us free.
I know for a fact Kamar doesn't bank with CDA.
I
know you don't bank with CDA.
I don't.
You can't put public money in places where you can't put private money.
Why are we insisting on number 5? We still have questions that have not been answered.
No. Wait, hold on.
Allow us to finish.
Okay, order. First, switch off your mic first, Professor. Please, with all due respect. Well, Professor, please switch off your let's have some normalities.
ase sekta yogotingia gosegokinia kerengo gichisemi meyense ya Kenya litukuria lero o Mosieza Ogamba ni gaumirana no Prime Minister bwense ya Malaysia unechira ye moyo gosanga obu amate ne chinjira tiragendera gokonya anena aborokigwa ase chinse chigaibere asoko twaro obu amatobuya nabego gokinia ekerengo gichisemi asaborokigwa anene asokonyarnonye na maigerio ase chikosi chia magoko ase chikosi chobubundia.
Permit me at the outset to express our deep appreciation to Education Malaysia Global Services and the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia for partnering with our Ministry of Education Kenya in convening this important forum. This collaboration underscores the enduring friendship and growing partnership between Kenya, Malaysia, and the wider African region.
President, we have decided to cement the relationship, give meaning to what effective collaboration is between the two great countries in the South, and to showcase to the world what collaboration, trust means. And it is up to you to help to ensure that we execute this plan. And anything goes wrong, then blame Cabinet Secretary Julius.
This memorandum of understanding will form a solid framework to guide our partnership in areas such as academic mobility, joint research, scholarships, and capacity building. The Right Honorable Prime Minister and distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this forum, under the theme Intensifying Internationalization in the context of the Global South Agenda, comes at a pivotal moment. As countries of the Global South, we share a vision of inclusive growth, innovation, and human capital development as the key drivers of our progress.
Oyo gakorire egosori yo kwegia aserieta Caroline Meroka gose aserieta linde li amanyekanete buna Nyaboke asomuroberio bwobotaka series nigo abeteka gusiro bogima bwaye obotuko bogokera lituko lya lero asabe tega ko wanse ase nyumba yaye ayunkorengana ne amate yaye asabe ngakiaminyo getiwe gochia senyagitari ya Kristamarian kolende tachieti gokonywa bono bunigeta seni kia getembe tukura wa nomo director Obed Mokua naboigo omu director bw'omurobirio yo Josephat Sungura nigo twabwateraniramo aso gotumengoro yeito naboigo bali kubwaterana aso murobirio oywe gwokwegia na gotumengora gochiase amate ywe chinga kibono emirobire yaye era chigo chaka ndobe tugo kumanya goikaso ko ni gwakwae kurende asense moyende ayigangati gose chigangati yechibicha achio mirobirio gose okwegia kuri are gokora chinga ki arenge asemiremo.
Pamoja msihuzunike, naenda kwa Baba, huko ndiko makao yangu yalipoandaliwa na aliyeniumba. Huko mbinguni kwa Baba kuna makao mazuri.
Nyaboke kwa mwako ntigapi asiki kuna tuanchaine iga tuanchaine utara rocho tuana naye tuatenya bisarare nki
maite machwati tari kwanza kwane kugutika lakini engakinere gwikira no ena bantu banjaine batigana bado no le ngoro ya nime machwati lakini ne bintu bigokete bina ki omuswati onana kwa tamba ko chakira lituko atatebi kya koroma taka skul mambi simu yake yerme buna yegoka chi message wabwate simu goje siko wasoka na kunga kare ko sako jimata nganda mugatataro goro kanyorero muswati siko geito kagaiga omuswati ongo tari katatebi na chata tebi yara kono muntu bato bongo bwa iri namo sere dujiga ringa moko ertare ko bona gi muswati ori na banda ndandwan na ban e kwa mwire konda tara maken baka isko ga yakodi wa korire buya ando keri kyambinche ne racho tuomera na twa banyo kwa no mwise ko yuga o tuomera bona te benje na moreta
abanyakundi turakora kitengira ngo
kama tunaigura na wa kwanire lakini maite na sengenjo ngansinya kundi na ndo mugakone so kende yancha ukwana injengo iwe yakundi pole nyana kugosera ngabe je dona ndi ndaganza ba bandaro jitigango dai bono rere siri ngaganda baba ganza nda jitikora mugakone
agakoira ni pipi
aganseri
chitariko chako chanda mono gweta muna bono gwachete na koira
nyasaye naro tagosoka rende nera ende boy
atasoge tirende
abanyamusira mbayi bosabara goli baenda batachinje bat chisokoro chapa kana bangina prupa
tika mangana yura kinya boke yana rakubo aba boli bomu muro yemba koma
aye mamu mwaba kala America
ya
umuga gororo ntado mwabo kakyo umuga kagete no chibuno muro yakwa muro sibichaiga batatu mwana na baleo tena nyakundi nega
nanye kindo mokoria merimo buchikoni ejenero ne gas nande nkogenda kulingana muna ntebiri nyakundi gantebinga onde wens ogocha abengo tabasa ko musumbwa igo bono ne gutagete nyakundi gakimwakeresi
gandara ko lakini no ali nyumba andi ndara ko boli nyakundi na nyumba
abangina na bange bagocha bona kero bata numongino yore
Asama liate konkoro ku Josephat Sungura ni gonde omo production manager Ogetembe TV lakini ni gona kabiro mo director bo mwana minto nyale kabaka kurara Caroline Meroka oyo manyekane temna nyaboka se kipindi kyo botaka series niko tuasirie talent ya lenge ya muhimu sana na ande tuasemetia matukama mbia to the family of Meroka family na bana ba mwabo enenga keto tokorutoma engore itu na egasini kyake tembe gocha si family na kuambia kwamba tuko pamoja katika msiba huu mpaka wakati tutakapomaliza. To the entire family yo botaka series bali bali work ama nere babo nyakundi and the rest of the team niko toko tabinga pole asoko lose omwana mino oyo mwa nchaine asige pindi na tunatamania ya kwamba tutakuwa pamoja wakati kama huu mgumu na tutashirikiana na familia at least we ensure we are making a very good send off kwa so mwana oyo
asamaria tangoro kwa Obed Mukwa omotenerio Ogetembe TV and FM na nigo nanyorre habari embesane marwaba yabono ngatwa mosiririe oyo gachiesire asegosorio kwegia imwanchete sana igipindi kyo botaka okoro kwa Nyaboke asamaria ta yakoro kwa Caroline Meroka nigasiririo bogima bwae na mayanda manene no mwichano monene osiria umusobati bunoria obwate kewa na ande obwate family asenga ya Mochio Meroka abasani na bairi na kurwa Ogetembe 20 niko tugwa to mochano na ande natumira amagombane na ngora uchi asenga abasani na bairi asenga kibune yega toko basabera na ande ntoba bwate sia stokonyara na kobwa mono bali ba kabeira banchwa bokuri chifirimu ichi na inu to batumira amagomba sengencho to misirio monto na ande to batamange to bange toro cha okoramo kurwa Ogetembe TV na Ogetembe FM to atumira ngora yaito rara via Caroline Meroka.
Mwanchu muligereria abuno toko yakero musumali aye kionga chinsa ibere elia nenkoro kwa dipo na sanya senseme yimanyererio nigo twarenge na Wilson Makori korende nigo ndachiko gotika nobo semia bwa Getembe nabo igo ngotige nenkwana yerituko onyare gusanga muna into genda kubwatie miroberi yonsi tumirane chinsenye.
We are courting disaster. And when I heard yesterday that the police are saying that Natembea stage managed that act, it's very shameful. I mean, I don't want to use negative terms, but it's very shameful to hear that kind of thing. I keep saying this every day, and all of you are smart people, guys. There's nobody in this world called opposition. All of us have names.
Ukatebana ki unyangura mangenga akangenga kya musioli kagera kigachaka unyangura mangenga unyangureye nenyumba eyo sweta ya banyalibali nenyumba yo munyalibali nere nyumba no munyalibali una nyumba kinde nchiro cyo munyalibali kabona unyangure enera wono nyalibali abuna ndi bakweto ikamba nane wona bawa tangu nyangura mangenga intuno nyangura mangenga akangenga kya musioli nyaule yito mamuroto ya yoro minu kwa chiransi bunanko ahuno kweto ko munyalibali buna babete bakurende bintu byabo unyangura mangenga akangenga kya musioli no mubasi
Omugusi mwakono Uhuru Superstores na indi yakoretire Black Friday. Black Friday next tariki ya 25 cy'umutinyo yuwa 11 ninjobwe kumbulire ibintu asamaguri ya yuakire omoroka buna bono ebintu by'ubwagaci buna amabati emisumari chisimiti chichuma nechirangi egati bintu binde binge hoigo ninjobwe kumbulire chindangira buna bono amasi ya mandasi aliyo kuruga emechere chisukari amabuta y'icinyeni egati amamunyuranda mangi ayore kumbura sedihuri ya mubuko bintobe byo gutumika asenga bunabono chisabune chitisho chipampas egati binde binge byo gutumika asenga aseriguri ya mubuko ni njubwe kumburira ya onsi asituka cha Uhuru Superstores imeyomo cy'obusongo litukone yuma yetariki ya 25 yane Black Friday tebyo musani twenyolere amamunyure ya Christmas gengyo ime ya Uhuru Superstores.
Esa marieta ankoro kwa Benista Marongo Bobe ninje principal ya Karoka Technical college kutoka Nyalibali Masaba eso mwesimiwa Hak Daniel Mandu wa Kongosa tigangire libageri so wakera bayibori baitombi yamone soko nyana gotoa bana na gutwara kwegena amangana activate we are very friendly yes amangana fees payment kogera serikali ngo bakonyera abana gwetera chinjera hawa entangani neri ya constituent development fund that is CDF esoko gendeza constituency yao twakulikira liruve banya kubwato bulemeru banyara gwaka na part of your fees yakabere elipungo era abana baito chironi kogerene government institution nkoye kubale first priority baye uchironi bagosomera yakatatu kare kupsia tumira marieta uchiye serikali nko ba scholarships and capitation abana bagonyara gosomera igo listen teyo abana baito bamwenete kobera ngamune fees ya buli tubwate various courses ndobwate agriculture ndobwate electrical and electronics ndobwate automotive that's mechanical engineering yebwate sections ndobwate building ko diploma artisan tubwate ne chinyinge chirijiko ba Harvard in any institution igo bono nale kwa appeal abayiboli baleta abana banyale ko babago trainingwa egeko garanto bwato bumanyi kosomia abana baito baliga ni monyale kutoletera abana ina wa January intake because negenderete umwana igotakorete document cha mapema obukiribaga in advance ta kwanyaliri jinga kichwa mwali kwanyoranga rere serikali yako na portal. So it's good moja for admissions ya January mapema.
Mwanchu murigereria niko nakwariganiria sentunda yende tunyare gusanga no mugeni oikirega se studio sensemo yende tunyare komanya abera atatu iga igoro yabasae buna muroche no musao mokeiga lakini rende tari mosae mokemono kurende no musae na chito tukukwana mangana abera atatu iga ayari ngitabasae anene asokwebwatirania no bokoreri nabo igo amangana ye siasa gose politics na nchira chinde iga tunyara gusanga ya masa ya mokurende sebire bigati anda mwali karibu sana Bifon.
Asante sana.
Onorende ase faida yo murigereria nabo kora chaka introduction who is Bifon ngaikwa rure na ndende probably kunyara gototeya sogojia nto kwanga gotegera karibu sana.
Bia mono asamali ta nchenkoro kwa Bifon Magare. Seito Nyamira ngoro ase wodi ko kugesima. Se constituency ya Kitutu Masaba. Se county ya Nyamira. Inche asengorwa ro imanyeta asengorwa Nyamira ngorwa asengo jinya sawa manyeta
nya sawa maeta
rakirende na otra se sensema ya biashara ndo mwana biashara na inde ngo na aligetikero kyo wa MCA ase wodi ya Gesima aenda gochimotwa unatura gende nya sawa ra bange mune sekoba nende kokora biashara na se town ye tuwate interest biashara professionally in the ICT professional no tukanya kusukuma biashara kurwa se sensemeyu na buna tuikiraiga nimeshukuru sana sengencho invitation ndita tunyara gukwa no mugusi ase chinga kieche ndite toiwe ngaitoko rubuno mugusi ngaitore na hande ngaiturache asoko bwaterana especially ase mangana ya banta bake abasaye au bale bantu tole ngaine ose bale maiga itu barabake na bale mutu yito igora sinini tubora ninga itoranya kubwatira nesingincho gusire gasabitu kimogusi.
All right, timbia mono sana karibu sana Bifon Magare so sangamo 90 at least you know this is the energy we need the energy of youths maitaba saiba tabanga na ubabwate chinguru abaga kalende miaka ya chira ke tunasema asante sana kulende obaseme babo kaka na barumbuka neirie 91 obuna basaye tunasema ya kwamba tusukume ono ndakite tora chakira asentunde zangani kabisa we have the trending all the latest wave tubwate na se county ya Nyamira ntubwate jiba election chiward yang isa toiga Kerenyo Nyansiongo Nyamaiya tutikatia matukarenga abere arafu ili gatatu on Thursday mangana acha kena mna hiyo ono rende tiango tora chakira abwe aze wevu chakirite the recent one amangana yejiba election na rodi radi ODM imeland na rodi UDA babwate nba UDA na rodi UPA ono rende okay independent imbale bare ngoro na rabande ba Jubilee bande waga step down for the other ones ngaki kurata bingo in general how is the by elections in Nyamira
na nyorali baga korwa se chinsa chamambi na eta se wodi kurkunya Nsiongo na eta se wodi kurkunya Maya sita nyorali baga liogo eta na se wodi Kerenyo kina eta Kerenyo litukuligoro endo karkinta takote yabantu baminto na bategera bonsi muno mugusia sababeta na mbeya mo abagusiko rukare tali bantu banchite buraburu bagusina abantu babata maskani yabo litukuligo rase Kerenyo litoma litko witness endo kyama litkobone buraburu keigo gati ya bafuasi ba UDA na bafuasi bali bago support moske Fred Matiang'i aseri tukulia rero sibali barigereri na habari ino timaite gose mwanya rori bagalio capture team ya UPA oseri go support team ya Matiang'i ne team ya ODM eba umera na asechiro ya Miruka na ende no nenjera bakwanani abakoranga mugusi bado nabwata maskani yae asena na mangana siasa bante bakwanani biya bashikia makoko baganirania mayakiro muntaga ndire campaign yae ekiagara that is how we were raised asense mu yagusi tima tinga muibuli naro ra oyegerete umwana ya mangana eburaburu unatokorra gochia sande na iga my brother usakori likire team bante baganda takwe banga bante baganda takwe banga
bantu mbaga
create team ne genda takwe banga ekiagara siasa no boche n'abantu kiro muntu kurigiribaga yo kurigu babe gosobo nene assessing incho mangana kiagara siasa ya 2027 anene skura sense nyagusi ego chokoba shaped na biribigo chokoba assist by election cheto cha Nyamaiya Nyansiongo nekerenyo
Ikomo does it mean what the outcome of Nyamaiya Nyansiongo and Nekerenyo will be the determinant of the 2027 election?
Of course ekiagara isokorigeri team ya UDA team ya ODM, team ya UPA stroke PDP, na chibwata candidates chiri omusike Matiang'i no musike governor ya Kisii omusike Arati ore deputy party leader ODM ne team ya UDA ya omusike Osoro no musike Baba Jafet bonse babwata interest tochakera ase team ya omusike Matiang'i nambe ya mo omusike Matiang'i ne team yae lazima banyore birogebi bamagwikaranse meza yogo bageni National Years United
Ikobono means inga batanyore ti biroge biga bargaining power is zero.
Ngakibago chikote nairo. Bago karanse mesa ngakibago te. Team ya UDA na yaron kuriyere libaga. Kare president yarenga the other day on Saturday.
On Saturday no arenga
iki. Na bokorange sigino nerurenga muira na mutabwati. Mutabwati biroge. Team ya ODM recently wiki eli yaeta ntu ararawa on deputy party leader gakurie buku akabaswa nini kuba confirmed kuna nere deputy party leader ya ODM oyore in the same capacity ne deputy party leader ya Jubilee na yero ukoligi libagali yaye as a national table
oyore omoske
como governor Kisii
mo governor Paul Simbarati
ono chitimu chonsi sato kire team ne libage kuligali as MS no endagere kubako iko chitimu chonsi sato any decision ekwa made on Thursday kurwasi chigodi chisato will dictate immediately a move ya siasa yetu ya Gusii na anda nene siasa yetu ya Kenya.
MS ato wale mtu aneyemo.
MS aneyemere chitimu ni sato
chiko. Chitimu ni sato. Timu Matiang'i, timu ODM, timu UDA.
Yes. Kono ko majikoranga timu ya UDA na timu ODM. Na bajira chiko majikobe timu ko timu broad base. Yende ama
kubwate kana rende nenchira ba
association. Yes, there is a way ibwate kind of association akirende kire team neruete ase team no ODM ase tabwate candidate nekerenyo but chigwade chinde ibere nebwate UDA nebwate
Nyamaiya Nyansiongo.
Yes, UDA nebwate candidates no the three wards na barba ko machikora kana balinse abarabungo
mwito.
Yes. So chitime chonsi tongo ligichire libakali yabo in the national space.
By the way, ngaki mwakora ekaro mumirane echiro ya Miruka nara lyo mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi na boigo no mheshimiwa Moracha kuroiga se MMC we county ya Kisii nara ali bako sakusana kabisa baso
kunenjiga yo bitina mbiyo kire team no muntu abo bakwira bitina mbiyo na lero litukolenga lyo mwali yo gukora campaign ya campaign formal inchasi yekwa abantu bayibanga matuka ya tegartabe bacha bakachikoro Thursday igo timu ichibere gose kuna bare ndorarabura buru nene rachiko otobeko mu Gusii sabe kiagara that is our natural mu Gusii ara samangana ya we love peace.
By the way, what conspired yesterday ekaronaro charia omweshimiwa Matiang'i nabo ate a meeting then yakaiga nkororanga abantu ba UDA bachire bare branded in t-shirts chia yellow babogoletie bana rende yo mufuasi obo kidogo tukamana korra kimbi yakaiga.
So just like in business bro kuna wanora se bintombira moko gamba ne producer yao na kiobekere tegendo kuriogoto moko gamba bintombira mumanyite rule nero
ngana this is the signal.
Yes. Na in politics siasa ne bwata emotions ekiagara karo ko ligiri bagali kwikaranse mesa na bogo tumeka mbinu ende yonse yoko genda semesa iliyo
we go strong.
Yes. Lakini incheta ko irali baga ko condemn officially na mangana ali abete igora se wodi ekerenyo kiagara mun nateba na tuachaka Gusii andonsi asabeta no muntu bwata maskania kelikia abete ekerenyo is not something we want to advocate for toeta abantu abonsi banyora ribaga bakore egasi batabwati bwobo bundo bwensi namatuka yategere namake ntochi tonyora bura buru igasi kirikabete igaro ekerenye tutebe ni team temperatures chemo
team mate mabere age siasa ngochara tukanga
ngochara ba yes kiro mundu agotema kuigirira team ya anganindu to ikaransa na anganindu to ikaransa so kina kiabete igaro batrinde buyas kinga abantu baitu atore tolerance ahead of 27
batiri rende bono nkwarigetie gero kyo wa MCA bono ngange igarene na bora cha umweshimiwa ntorama na director nera ndebinga sense moyende 2027 na mukanere meza ya mo mutacheza kadi zenyu
tinko mutigero ba MCA na no boju
ono boju bumbi iko director kwa iru ko MCA bono wachire
he is a good man
he is a okay ndo bojumbe
na bongo so ana ne upo senator so bo governor
by the way
biro kone bingi karata keke
I love the energy watenga energy watenga youths can also do something
bono kiagara maita kuchumutua my brothers we say muntu ka kwanyora ribaga na bori tyo ba MCA ase wodi yagesima and I want to categorically state na abantu bagesima bado nimba tamaskana ningo bali anytime kwanyora ribaga
ngai
ngo baira nene mbuya mono kiagara
ngake bintu bya landed position rena litoko
ntonyoreti nambambe ikiagero sekurigeria say what we scored against muntu tubuete chikura the margin was very small lakini botambe nche nabongote banga no bekire gorio ko boko times ubugo mubungo takabole injira gete
boko ikasete gorengo kugoro kurare gosera no ko boko igukuri gite mafem
yes bono ekaro chikura chiri cherete I always think abantu bagesma mbangete libaga nkamanye bintu targo chikomanye especially in the political arena yagara I think I was the youngest candidate na boni kana chisekuboli go we have other younger candidates coming nanyo tari baga nkamanye bintu bikentargo chikomanya byangire libaga na njina tarire enseye because after two akorete ko ruase chikura chia chagesma after we lost elections nanyo tari baga nkaba elected as a East Africa Vice Speaker yabasaya say the 5 countries to East Africa.
East African, the 5 countries are yes, na speaker.
Gender speaker, Somo Nagari, Wabasai, as a bunge, ya East Africa Youth Assembly. Ito bwate sittings tokora Arusha, once every 3 months. Ito kuira model iliya East Africa Legislative Assembly, the yellow model.
So quarterly.
We have quarterly sittings and sessions across. In the Chico debates on matters on youth affairs across East Africa. In the Toma the same matters. To ikaransa in a session as a AU youth model assembly.
So bono tutarasoa imekigima asoko kwanira iguru ya vasae nilivaga go the space of youths on innovation and the technology and the politics at the same time. Tikato tukorana na siasa. Turakorana na siasa ya Nyamira. By the way, jiba election ye chio mwaka oyo, they are very different from the previous ones. Nkieke ya pige tapu estandie ye kawaika sengencho the previous days to atwara jiba election 1-2 and ebintombia nakababona byabete bono. Maybe bereri atemberache timatinga
unlike other sessions. You see bono igakoro usi. We have 2 presidential candidates who are of interest that formerly they could wish to run for president. The Wato Mosque, Fred Matiang'i, and we have Mosque, former CJ David Maraga. The 2 have shown that in the next general elections, they want to run for presidency. The last time to kuruzia teneta kaboli chukura cha presidency is 2002. So since then, so since then, we've not had a reason why to go to our temperatures because the whole country is now watching what the Gusii Nation can do. So, you know, with such a national outlook, we showcase what we're able to do. Number 2, over time, I think Revolution, 2013, we've now had young people fully involved. Unlike Kare, whereby young people maybe very school, they don't want to get involved. Young people want to directly get involved in the political process. So that gives us room Vasai. That is why one manganayo to manyete, because Vasai involved. So means if a matter happens in Nekerenyo Nyamaya or Nyansiongo, you need 5 seconds. Because we are transmitted direct, we now have the power of social media. We now have new media. Initially, we didn't have Getembe. We now have Getembe. We got the reporters all over. So now news go break. So now that puts us in a national map to showcase what we have. Then, korukale to whatever election sometime in Nyacheki ward sometime during the regime yo Mosque but we had a by-election in Bonchari but as much as we had temperatures here in Gegoro, they were not as high. The stake was not as high as now.
Does it mean una matuka kuna gukia bantu bagenda tuna kungainia mono? What is it?
Yes,
what is it that brings a lot of motivation?
Na specifically omogusi ororire na ochairwegeka. So we also want to rise to the occasion and prove to the nation that we can. Because for the first time omogusi onyorere obo deputy party leader of a party ya a ruling party. Omogusi onyorere obo deputy party leader of a party ya the opposition figure for over 15 years. Omogusi onyorere obo treasurer of a ruling party. Omogusi for once onyorere obo chief whip. Again, the to very consistent to maintain the Ministry of Education. It has been very consistent that naturally by birth.
By birth, abagusini gotora bangaini korua almost how do you call it? Samungeri.
Koru all through Koru de Onyonka. No, we've been here. Omogusi wono is now that we're proving that nationally na into to achairu. No, ina majaya ngantoba numbers. I think bonnegia gero Omogusi aga takakoguruna kike. We want to prove that we have the numbers. So with that, the emotional and the psychological war, Omogusi has risen to the occasion. Omogusi ore krase noenda kwa fans basha bana bakaenda Mombasa kuligereria mupira. Pate baki abantu bakireta akaiko bakatara Mombasa na magore town. Bakutiana ngana indu mondo itondo nakoreta ki. Naro. Go Omogusi lazima egwe maskani. So for once Omogusi has got a reason yogotena nako involved in the national process, which for the longest etu amaitenga onyatali maybe obuocha, maybe Nyachai, or it is someone else.
Somebody else.
But now this time around we have younger people rising to national positions.
Yeah, sure.
From our community. Vatoire national outlook.
Ndona go soka bale.
It is not easy for example.
Bamurangu Karakalibale. Muroje babecha tangu Karakalibale.
They are doing well. Nabarabu they are doing well in their capacity. Nabarabu wanajipigania. Bakogera nga Omogusi literally yakoraki.
By the way, there is this, okay, I don't know whether it's a norm. Well, abasaya bange kero basuira suburai konyorore nga bange baote abagusi baote nga mbara itabote konyoranga mbari go serve to that capacity the aged barabe kero to tebe barabe bagokora.
But I don't think that is true because look at the number of young people ba iruri baga Diego serve. I mean, same mistakes no inaba antaba never do. Maybe some of the similar mistakes to have younger leaders back already. All I'm saying, to castigate youthful leaders based on failures even from the past. To anyore abantu bara elderly, bakora worse mistakes than what young people are doing. Number two, na to tema kukana. The future is
so we are on our time.
I'm telling you, for example, in 2027, almost 60% of the assemblies will have even Gen Z, MCAs. So expect for the first time a leader or a live on Facebook, a young person, because that is exactly how I communicate. The generation ya kare maskana ringi no maitabu mujumbe mo kogenda bona igo mujumbe mo gomoki ntumira na mami sambili ntubwatengana toko a message mo gomolikira mo ntubwatengana we need to talk to you binde bimbia lenge kare
aso maros chikura
entirely that is it
and with options.
So of course youthful leaders can have their mistakes awako toward their share of mistakes like any other person can have, and I believe rende it is not the role of the elderly of baliba abeiro babo Mosque Professor Gary. It's not their turn baruli baga basira basaba batena ya kare ntwara gokoraki ntuko madam tari go twara gokore kare twarenga bake ntwa korete ke tukakore mistake so na inu togende direction ina litoranyara gukini igesa kugita.
So on the other side, has this technology improved all as it built youths ama imewabomoa the technology one tutawe tugwenda gutumeka okay tugutumeka tuseme the 21st century era Turibono Yamasai. Nakiroje, is it building as was
you know something about tech, bro? One thing about technology, you cannot ignore technology. You cannot run away from tech.
So you have to adapt.
You now have to adapt and live with it. Now, the only challenge to what as of 2025 tare 20 ngapi lero?
Around 20
na chechu of today is we now have a challenge on what we call regulation. We now have a challenge in policy. That is saying in Joko Nyara go create a Facebook account temineti ntebe ne birore bya one bibe biri timbia njeti na ngire jinda richiao onda me go control. Now we have a way to when to regulate the usage of technology to serve and favor how we want to live. Namba ibere, as of now, technology unaenda tukobo na inde abire source ya income to many young people. Abantu abange bone kabasai na ino amente chitaudi. Babu katika sienda bagokora other than using technology for a living. Ya no bakurusia besa bakane rent. Bagurenda agira kurwo we sustain in the towns. Abantu no bakurusia besa bakane school because of technology. The only thing we need to do no encourage government from the lowest units, government from county government to the national government, barosi better policies, formulate better policies, chikunyara go fast track how we use technology. Because technology is a very destructive tool. Because for example, with technology, information actually 90% ya bantu bago to watch they are streaming on YouTube or they're watching on Facebook. Now, where do we take, for example, the old methods to make a TV? That means with the access mobile phones or gadgets in rural areas across our continent, America does not need a whole day konyora information ya matanga abaso. You only need kubolinga ngongo tomera bundles stream matanga live from the village, something that has taken some time to adapt to. The only thing probably is young people to make a technology to their advantage, not to have it as a destructive tool. Because yes, tumekubiya nena bego destroy. If you look at what young people are doing, a young person you a tool, a tool, the same tool IBC. Arokabi people's IBC portal, whereby you can verify
whether you are a valid voter.
Yes, at the same time you can also verify from the polling station, the polling station, that you can have a chance of uploading the forms. Kuna chigo ika Nairobi for transmission, na inu the people mobugata similar.
The same.
Yes. So on the way that kokorobo kabara, for example, akuna mali anafanya.
So korua. Yes, the
transmission there is now you can have a basis of raising a complaint. Now with that, technology is becoming an assistive tool as a look at how people now in offices are busy. Now with a click you can order a restaurant of your choice. In some 5-10 minutes you go back to work. Know we have technology. But now everything to make na bakonyora umuntu nye tumikira kwa dama lego yogo tindi.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So if there is no proper regulation, if there is no proper policies chiko manage technology, it's another destructive tool that has banned nations.
Elio mwaka right honorable Era Molo Dinge eliachi tegosirira.
Yes.
That night kuna mswada president ya signed about cybercrime and the rest.
Yes.
In the video arekonya bantu sana.
Yes.
What can you say about it? Because that is one way of regulating, huh?
Yes, but now I have had a chance to also part of what was signed. I get draft before ya chit assembly. Now one challenge to work, especially as young people don't participate in sessions chikoba favor. Like now, umuswado ulino chita to the public. Actually even okabeko ngaseti. Abantu bakaikaransa in halls or discuss a draft. Yeah. Umuswado to some extent no bwato buyabwaye. And to some extent ekaromus meno lyo konyanyiro maite karo konyanya na bakonyanya mutwa and onyanya gochimotu. One moment na bako celebrate about umuswada, another moment. But now from the professional point of view as a policy analyst, again to nanyare go challenges abantu banyora riba kamono basoma what the government has in place. Na ene karo getara iti kutwanyore room for complaints. For example muswadoli no bwate areas especially when natoka ndo obacholi. Honestly, if we don't regulate the usage of social media as a communication tool, na wakonya to asambire Kenya. Because you monta imokali kiata.
By the way, Roche, even mobilization ya maandamano Gen Z, it was all about online
on social media.
Leaders are just online, they meet in a WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Kama ni kuchanga
I know those young people are not joking. I know they will do it. They some time.
Yeah?
I know. once I know they will, because we have a very professionals in the area. We have doctors in those teams. We have Gen Zs, very nurses, very architects, very engineers. I know at some point in Iregeka. They will do it.
Paid anything.
This generation, Gen Z is a generation get studied in a whole course.
In a whole course.
I'm telling you. So I know it can take some time, but eventually, to some extent, they'll do it.
So sometimes, there is this motive within an area. By then, within the whole village, university no yom. But of late, upgrades at least every family.
Every household.
Every household. They come from the same family and they wachire a university. Now motivation totebe egotiacha na soba abasai konyora ribaga. You know these opportunities was here. Does it mean a lot of opportunities na it has to go push youths to fight for their spaces, I say in fields, different fields, political, the other fields.
Not even opportunities themselves. One, bro, when you look at how Obogmapoito, uno mogusi, nambe ya montu bwate maremo. You know mogusi as tole. Our grandfather se karaba iretaka volemo. Muna nagote mogusi tanji zibura buguru. Yaro toka bagusimpa njite segi. Hangeto ya ruanete paka no anye kujina Naivasha. Badaba gusipa kata ya bantu tikatuwezi yekira. This is what we can afford into ruanionde. Ndo itira manyinga. Now, over time, ekaroko kakwanya kwaligereri sei no buya no nyana sei no timanyi tibuya ngai. Lakini uza kwaligereri wone goza ko tpolio bole mora anyare kwagache skuru sei no. Bakebete lyo chikulia ngao sengu chesi kimogore. Omanya kwagache facility wata geto no twara the resources. Because yamale maya akeire. Now when you look at it mora batatu. Witaka bole mokara na fanek. So your father will tell you again to nda nyare kwa 40 na sikiro montara agache.
Sa mga nindagira na mga development
ekaro ko ligere ligo ko mwana mokaza young woman nkio kokora ekubete lyo bekomoki elinde ojikonyora libaga lyo gosoka siku to jiko twaro bosoku obe family ne yakoreki yachire. So that is what mode. I remember kana in class 7 twaro to reach na my mom some morning. So and I told my mom yani ndareke miaka 25 aro lazima nteme juu chini ngore gari. You know?
You go kwebekere the target ya gonga in less than 25 years. You should be owning.
I should find a way ngonyore gari. Na temete ngari gari no ya renge
ngwa what the ways jago weka strategy yo kanyore gari.
Na manyete because one of my danger tu akinete nchira gite binyora ari nje tu recover rest. Na maite na nekenga kina nchembo ke one morning ngoreki ngendi gari. But you see now the motivation ngaki onyenyareve ruseita akagende university. Uirandire urikiro bwalimu for example and he has managed to change it so. Can we also do it? So that is the motivation okonyorana based on the backgrounds we come from. Onye yani tobo ati option. Onye toko be komoki bas you remain a villager the rest of your life. So lazima ube komoki no ende university Nairobi onyo bakalio koruka.
So does it mean according na advancement ya technology na a lot of innovations chiaberechi gocha from young people ngoro chino nyana bantu mbale ko kora innovation yo bintu byo ko hack Safaricom na wanya no bintu byo koliruga wanyora ngakine no ngakide ya Facebook nga somebody can use these things ko hack. Does it mean okay, can we tell nga asengencho advancement ya chire nere yegende to push so that we catch up with the youths abange matuka maiga abantu mbale barengelezi lakini yose bona yakonyora sometimes kama uwezi jituma hakuna kitu inakuja
hakuna no wanyana basanto konyora you can't even have friends because kila mtu anaamka asubuhi anajituma ayole minura ile ngakioro chingo cha konyora mogotana nera. So with how the world is my take ene like right now we are straining as a country economy wise. The country is not doing well. But for a matter of fact, naweza kutora basane baonya bara America. Bale gutume besa kubara likirega batuma.
Squeeze dollar yajega.
I'm telling you there is a problem globally. So with the global adaptation of how abantu ba change their lifestyles. Na ibono kubwa wake sababu na ki Facebook where you have people you follow, you admire. You see how they live. You have no option. You really must work hard so that you change the structure back in the village on how you are raised. So with the advancement of technology, yeah, really room for young people to be innovative, young people to think of solutions, yeah, young people to think of how to solve the maybe in their community. For example, we have people korugusiga seito wakinero boremi. So baba simegede ite chai or small scale farming. Now, ekara wachiro university waharigiriri that mazao ya ukulima wa kwao yamepungua. So what do? Ingi baanza kurigiri. Ingi yakogera chai ya ito ya usi ya tware bonus yange. Baanza ku list the factors because in school bona bale and that is what they are doing. Mo baby akora agribusiness. So waharigiriri quality ya maraba ito. Barora esa sokore jitu tutigera maraba. Gendo kyo twane konya kora.
Do we really look on quality eri wa se quality chai?
No, we bona karoleka, you look at the quality of the tea. Ekarogo che school, you now start looking at factors kichiko gera. For example, chibanda chitu chiaba chinke. Okulie chibanda chiaba sigisi, our immediate neighbors. Embure ko machigo almost the same. Babu ata chibanda chire tofauti. Now, wanza kuligere lina, what can I do as an innovation that can help omole miyo my mother was my aunt okole machibanda okirango. So now you start looking at the quality of the soil. Now, you meet up, more develop a tool. For example, we have young people Korukis University who have won several ideas or several innovation trophies for thinking on how to treat our soil. Like the quality ya mazao toko nyora. Yakoba mabetu to some extent because of the quality of the soil. Yani into tukanye to boyo boka tubeke to simeke abantu bande ba device iri njera naki chiombe chikorosyo boyo tuabo mix tuatika kole menga kigete for some period tuatika lira bali to yakora lia bali. Now young people have come up with tools chiko test quality ya maraba using artificial intelligence. Within 20 minutes chiakoire a breakdown na lira bali yao to kunyara kusimeka bandu or as make a cabbage.
Now, as the speaker, as each country, East Africa, 5, whatever, bono, now, as the speaker, toteve, you have worked, country, kwa Russia, no, economy, do youths have equal chances in governments?
No. Young people don't have equal chances in government.
And why?
It is because the space of the youth in government is not formally defined. There is no one who can call you, "Hawate bro, that the one of Majumbo saying." There's no one who can call you, "Hawate that the one waziri we kosi liyo somerte." Why? Normally, it's been like a norm that for the last several years.
How does it happen on all the people? How does it happen? Because
now
you can do this,
now, bro,
you can do this, and not in youths.
With age comes network. For example, I'm involved in ODM campaigns as a coordinator, not because I sat somewhere and someone called me to get assigned. I had to leave Usi, Orange House, get involved in the process, Korwali. The party around Omonto Peko Rega, Onyamiro Mosai.
No, yo.
So the option, Babuate, as of that time, no release in a key, no to coordination of our activities in some region for this period, because I'm the only one then available. Now, for young people, at times, the cost yobuge matayali nenkongu. So the cost again you're an extra coin to save your coin. Do you know how many young people are miss your interview?
By then wingi son.
Do you know how many young people are miss coindegas because they cannot afford fare? Monto nyo regasi, monto ko regasi, o menyete jogo. Monto ko regasi nyamataro. You honestly need the fare.
You need a fare, sure.
Every simple day, you take say 50 koenda, 50 koirana. How do you get to Yamataro? Do you know what you'll be told? Young people, but you won't talk for 10 years. Now, how
does it happen?
Yes, but now, there is no proper policy a young person. Already, you don't want to listen to what your elders are telling you. I won't know what to naturally. You've just come in. Now,
but many men Okay, the elderly, as youths, we want to make a shortcut sana. Like we don't want to work for, we don't want to stretch.
No, but it's not true. Young people wanajituma. Young people are trying to do their best. Just like better the aggressiveness in young people. Imagine na a young the aggressiveness in you. Yeah, you want to take a shortcut. You know, do you know how many people have issues with me? Because I'm young. Do you know how many people could tell me to my face? Yeah, karakina, you have all the time. You wonder, ababakuru maega yani. Onye njitina anyora libaga. Kibago cha koliye. Because njira ariko batebi. Listen, abantu bayito bagesima. Ngoba MC obolimo. Nsobo jumbe limo. Nkunobo gaba na barabu nso ekabere. Ntire igoro. Nondera yara koreke. Nenda ko. You see, I have lost 5 years in taranyora libaga lyoko bakore bina bangete. Not sure again if I can get another similar chance yoko bakora libaga. Considering that we also have younger people than me. Mbuete miaka ibere tatu. Bambuate interest na baro negi agasona ki finto mbere wrong seita. Na hariko nyora libaga. Na nchina wana go fight for. Yeah. So if nchendo moneno asebale kidogo tinanyora libaga. Tell me the expense ya hapa bale maiga yane wacha konyora. So that means anyone who elder you rocha your level of aggressiveness can easily accuse you for doing what they didn't do when they were youth.
Bono, there is an instance oko nyoranga abasa na obaroche pinga. Okay. You in a family of 5, Tote in a family of 5. A first boneka kore school tera nyoragas. A second boneka kore school tera nyoragas. A third boneka kore school tera nyoragas. Fourth boneka kore school tera nyoragas. Ayore 50 bon. What do you expect? No nyene kore school. Do you think umuntu na koromoki? Ese njo bado na baro jenga na kiata wezi na asoma na bekoreta ki. Don't you think those are the things manomo tote be kohinda youths?
That is what I'm saying, bro. If we can never in America, we can never have what you calling chances for young people. The world is very cruel. Osaigo yani ensita yale mnoko iburu gole 1 hour old ya kongire. Otaraba no nya 1 year old ensita yale ya kongire. Now this calls for after cover aggressive. You know we also have a challenge with what you call discipline. You know you can be very aggressive, but your level of discipline, there is a way, you know, there's a way people look at you and say, then the so equally, our society, now that we come from this society, we also need to understand where our parents and our elders come from. You know, there is a way, and you know we cannot blame them. Young people toward just and when one of us has got an opportunity.
Bono, sometimes how can you adjust and yet the people to what as our elders now are adjustment we are doing we are in a wrong direction. Essentially they believe in whatever they did it is true the way we get to
is a proper formula. The formula na usakoboka work very hard you check them kila lituko no jo succeed you jo igole yao tali lazima na bocha you know it's not automatic. Life has no proper formula. What we asking abantu bakonyora libaga baba in spaces where they can support them. Like you see now Getembe has given us an opportunity. We are discussing you know, issues on young people.
On young people, yeah, sure.
Young person against a young person. We're having a conversation. How many people do you know who represent us TV?
Nabangi.
Basakote kuna maono litaya.
Usabande mbale ba chiete, bagakora journalism, but they are not in that field.
Yes.
Montaka keda kachinja kana kegole duka.
Now with abanta karabanya ribaga, abanta banya space. Like now we said our youthful friends in government, banya ribaga. Let them create opportunities for other younger people. So that like
is there that space? Is there that space you
the space can be created. Like now, this has been my concept. After my high school, I was hosted no Mosani for 2 months. Na nakokora computer packages St. Anne's College. Karona akolete nganza kokora kasi ka cyber na inche ngachanga ikora ka cyber at some point kai town. Now, I've always had a policy that when you karongo kolete town ase menyetonye Nairobi kwanyorwa kabarua you have 3 months kung'anya gochibuo nayo akero monto korunka acha menya mwao. You get?
Iko mangana ali toko genda uta mundu arakubeka ora bano nyino
policy ana no maniere
no nyino mwaka oyo mwiga
akuna. It is 2 to 3 months. Yani onye nako host mwane maximum mungu taite buone not because you're mobe na nda to create room for you kwanyorerwa kabaga bune supermarket yokora chiribu iko mnaiza no kuri na rebu na bere go nenkongu. Now what you do naye after meeting yeta to kwanyore mwao gochi
chaka na kwibanga
naye bona kire kazi ni yao ende kuruka naye chenya kobera mwao ni tanyore gazi era amanya Nairobi echeri gari kwa sayo correct na rebu na gochi kunganye umuntu kwa rusika na era cha kiro yondi
it's something we should be teaching whoever we meet.
My brother.
If mundu abakorangana ki bono na chite ngori eri 12 mithinyebere yoka chiti no tinda no ngeta.
Chirigo chiko chenji.
Ndagora muito.
Chirigo chiko chenji kiagera if I called one more oyo ndarangere one more for opportunities. Yani tie bagali atogire gusibika tembe. Ika. Nyalebe tigaruka aramenya mwana arazibika tembe araka nchiribu chiri 10. Acha get after 2 months yenye ole chiketana ne chyo gwaka ne deposit na rent.
How many people do we have?
Bago correct.
Bogo colleague ndo ne kyo goteba.
It is no, it's because
you call someone from someone.
It is not
because you know no matter we come from the village, you know, we no talking to shago mari binyoro ime. No understand it what happens as abantu abange. Kurange no muntu ngabona ninju ngabona ne cousin yane. Onye sometimes abana abamo nabakonya sometimes omwana omumurabwa kusine kasine mumuru mwabare kaisiko but he hasn't done it.
No, it's a culture. It's a culture like ebisa kubinde. If you look at aba chijirani chito abayikoyo na bakale bakorangirana sana mara igoto kwanyara mwali ngase kete usakwetana ne town yetu abantu bakoni bikoroto
muno bana Rwanda no baichira bange sana
ngutara baroyo mokora they walk
they are in
groups
ke bara bakepimba
babere usakorigeri na abayikoyo bali town ya for fact kero yo makoni chi belt oyo ndakoni bikoroto oyo ndakoni chisha
once mbalikoni
belt ngakibaru ete so ngo balete ngo balinete ngo mora ketino so kama imagi
ayoni belie ji belt ajitiango ni bikoroto
yani
njengo nchisha so that in case umuntu atake kugora kwanyora ngo promote abantu bonse
njene present agetembe bagali atokire getembe akintali yabo present inkie kebekoro usio monde kenyoroyo ose babere onyeri atokire kene ose kwa bodi umusani ngaki utago nkonya ali supermarket yao umuntu wa ojiriga utakondigeri bagali babere so that no nekero moko tanga kibono nyarebe na kwete kenyarali mutakori kiri yani yaba raisi ngaki chon njembekere kiri bubere chesanire ono you know kero dai weke star it is very expensive go buy weke star it is costly go buy star weke
so advice kyoro choko abasaye ekero wikamangana innovation na mangana technology at the same time na mangana inclusivity na kutwara encourage yo gusira basically all around totebe to kwara mangana no nyina mangana business not the must all of us to be politics do what abantu bande bara businessmen
politics not a career. It's not a career. Neri na ko nyora if there is a window serve abantu ntari ko ligijura I could do that. Neri bono na kitu bate culture na I go serve last so now you now have to change. But I can tell you, politics is not a career. Now what I can advise my fellow youth, that the future of the world remains in innovation and technology. No way field and ones, either you're a teacher, you're a doctor, you're an engineer, the future of the world rotates around innovation and technology. You really must be creative on how you attack life. Number two, you cannot complain forever. That my parents budget ko korai kabana ba ba nyalebe you now must get out and of course
but then and that moral support from parents na rongo chere neta keire go singo konyere
ko iworo muntu gito tebete timaite usene quote na once we get miaka 20 you don't complain about the background, you are the background. Yani ko igire miaka meronge bere
now you become the background.
Na ko tine kero 1 hour, yani kero 1 second old ko iboiru. Enseta yari ya kongire. Either you are an orphan. The world does not care. Enseta ko korora mabira no maete. Bible bana
wacha
na mo na
tato minati tu ntakana no
mbono. Enjale ko korikore 1 minute old eko minyoki properly. So ensete bugate mabira to anyone. That calls for innovation. Number 2, we must find a way of adapting technology. That there is no shortcut about that. Actually, even now, look at how young people advertise their businesses online. Umuntu atabwata the physical shop, abwata stock yebikoro to mirongo ibere nyumba. But you advertise ngora igakwanyora in a day na umuntu akora na nyumba na shilingi 300. Mene. With that in mind, all we need to do now, we're coming up with the courtesy of the East Africa Youth Assembly. Now, request the Tonyore funds in Kego. We're coming up with what they call Gusi Innovation Center. It's an hub Yoko incubate ideas from young people, because I can tell you, young people out here are very creative. Young people are very creative. Mbaranyora libaga, mbaranyora umuntu okobwato okoboko. You saw the latest case, umuntu obekera Safaricom case. That the idea ya M-Pesa super app ne ya yali. Do you know how much the guy was asking from Safaricom? $1 billion.
1 billion.
1 billion shillings. On an innovation, I can't take a by the way. We have our local banks, we have our local business partners who you can reach out to. By the way, nimbuate a app. Like in 2019, sometime around 2019, actually COVID area was the timing. I came up with an idea in Uber in Kisii. If you heard of Dango Cabs, that was our idea. We didn't have proper structures then. We were but then it is an idea na roche. We were able to have COVID yaiteko tukare market. What if young people came up with ideas chinga bunecho? We now have chi restaurant tuwateka gusi chinyinge ange meronge tatene chi restaurant chine. What if young people monta chine application whereby etali gilovo etali endene ogode ndagera locally from the local restaurants. Abantu bane gatoralike muntu akorete ndagera akanwe commission. Yani onye kwa rusi ndagera koru teli gete bakaga gete. Ndagera yao ni 180 ayoni oye 20. One chindagera 10 na day. You make 200 shillings. Oyo manyene app I maybe singi komi pa ndagera account. So place reorder. Oyo manyene hoteli nera no musagete go ochageta ka restaurant gete go kon chips fast food nera nyore. You know, we could have created opportunities for Abanta. All we asking now, the government, both levels of government, both the county government and the national government. We have 2 counties we see. Chibuate capacity, chibuate konya funding every financial year. Naboto konya I know we can. Naboto koros yaga incubation setup iga whereby young people can come in. Wanyore opportunities, but discuss in other peers across the world. Wanyore, we have what we call financing. Nabakonyora, umonto very interested in your idea. Koru Savannah Silicon in the US. I want to invest in that idea. To roll out across the country, you can get out something. So in a span of some 5-10 years from today, we can no longer be young people forever. Miaka 5 ikomiga na into to joinery, balikoni toko teba bagaka. You know.
But so, what is the biggest gap to what Rabanyare go bridge the youths and how do you say with technology as we are moving I think we were not wearing analog.
Yes,
we are in digital.
We're in digital.
We don't know.
There is 2 or 3 more born through what we call Web 3. Web 3 to our Web 1. Web 1 was the basic technology between 1990 and 2000. Then from Jeff Bezos Microsoft. You know, to about a computer work and sing him. Yani okunyeganya yoka yama gochuoka. Now we to Web 2. That is a period between maybe 2000 to 2010 to 15. Yeah, whereby now the world was adjusting to new technology.
Smartphone
yes. Now we're in Web 3. We're in Web 3, whereby technology is now more advanced. Like a smartphone can do multiple things. Like now, kare tuare ko wired. Yeah. Now look at the technology. Only I need a wireless mic, and I'm able to communicate to the transmitter. I'm able, you know, we're now in Web 3, and I can tell you the target of the world. 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and some parts of the world are testing 7G.
Okay.
Like some
you
know, as when I get to go, there is an expected. There's an expected move. So the world is adjusting to other levels. So what I can tell young people, continuously, they have to keep researching. That is why we now need spaces like the one that we want to build, the IT hub, whereby young people can meet peer to peer. Like if you have an idea, how can we do broadcasting? We recently what we call citizen journalism, whereby Omo in the village can give an update on a community about an incident. Yani,
yeah, sure.
Na witness ya ajali. Na ande na akebicha. Na abatomera pali yeye mwenye weke songo bono. Njendomere miane tokorana
makorana.
Now, where
because oja go to make a time kogenda
yes. Now, with for example citizen journalism, what if a young person came up with an application or a platform whereby citizens from across a specific region can update news on happenings timely, on what is happening at a small fee on the media stations, for example. So, but idea yekaronye bwatole say no ikonge. You don't need a space where someone will guide you on how to write a proposal, on how to, to incubate your idea, ever from ideation stage to reality. That is exactly what we are lacking, and it is now what we're trying to reach out to partners on how to fill that gap.
All right, mwantu muligerelia nikotoke nderete aiga engambo Jumatatu na omo speaker o East Africa Youth Assembly Bifon Magare oyuko sangamo 90 anene the space of youths ase amangana technology, inclusivity, asa amangana development, at the same time nonyena amangana a politics igoni gotorege gatoko sanga at least tunyara ko manyanga ngaki ere gatoke nderete abasaya bange ndo chimbaga ndo no karakaria 1 2 asenchira ya moyo kwenyoreri bagana barabo. You are seeing we have young people bangere ko develop interest no nyina mangana yoborai bantu babere CMCA county assembly we have abande babere senator, member of parliament and so forth. Igogera kusangamo 90 aiga sekretaseni kiagatembe ekero togenderete. By the way, somebody told me,
yes,
and everything usipojituma itabidi umetumwa. So wana kana changa cha kurengereria nkyo muntu yarengereretie ground winga kama siwezi jituma
utatumwa,
itakuja kujituma. Yes. Atanyaranga kumbe by the way onye tingwe karakari insoke nabakonyoranga finally at the end of the day nabakonyora muntu kwarari no nyene inchara.
Yes,
sure. So kerokende gentunkira abasaye baka netiko igwa egentunkira abasaye baka netie so that banyaregwe adjust meta adjustment ne sometimes abantu bari batemire trials muntu atemire no nyene chikazi interview and the rest was 10 times 15 times or correct application in different offices but things have not worked out. So maybe now as the youth representative, as the spokesman in East Africa, asense moyaba sai kerokende you can share something small to them inchiranere kwe kwaro bintu bwente kwe banga kerokende nalo onyoro okay nabaro lakita bwa idea right yani eraro tu onyoro sometimes umuntu ranyo bwa idea atenga we can do this and this then topic likurworo abantu bamwe kuchaka kwaki tutware something like a stepping stone for ontuko genderase chi step chirobos.
All I can say that in my personal experience, jitindaika simpwenta koba, because my vision is big, my personal dream is big, and I'm also putting an effort towards we carry dream yane. But I can tell you, bro, getting to where we've reached has not been easy. It's been a try and error format. I think as I can tell you, I risk too much.
You're a risk taker.
I bet big.
You bet big.
I bet big.
Be it you win or you lose. You are ready for anything.
Like what is the worst that can happen? They say a young man nabago soka skoko kora hunting. Asakomera njogu anyeite. Ubotaka bwana oboko ya.
Oboko ya.
Njogu ulisa kumuita.
Emukole.
Bado ubotaka bwana you know. It is really a situation where you look at where life can really take you. I have dared a number of things as an innovator and someone in the tech space, and as a business person or an upcoming entrepreneur. I have dared a number of things, including karota bwa tichibe so kolengele bako igure TV yao, you know. Now, you know, but now we have a way all I can say for any young man, any young woman, any young person out there, it is not easy doing what you want to do. It's not easy getting what you want to get. But rende, you really must adjust on how you do what you do. For example, kene na tubwati kasi to kurara baka saa 2. You know. To na yaba tubwati kasi na yaba tubwati asogochi. Honestly, to kurara oko watch TikTok the entire night. Baka saa 9.
No, we have people bangere ko bachi content creator no mundo wako boka no answer.
But now, bro, you also need to. My content creation is a job created, but it is not real life. No kara content. At times, real. You're living a virtual life. Real. Yani you need to.
The real life where you went
to eat. Yes, and you see, no matter cost. Yoko boka na gocha create content. Say no work and you know it takes a lot.
Yeah, sure.
What if you took this on a notch higher? Can I formally commercialize my ideas, the concept yani content creation, including baka kara wiko koli kabanto bako konyo kara content. You know what I'm saying? Abanta bake young people toko kara gento kara every day repeatedly or expect results chire chingao. Yani orale saa 10 cha mambi ko watch a movie oboke saa 2 o ndo teba no maite serikali nembe aende ndoje na uchumi wono asie kuchia kongire. Including karo topa tinga tokora it is safer we sibi ande town namago na bako nyaro ndo bwate deni yao gosomo kutana ketu bwa sai. Also you meet a friend or 2 or 3, you exchange ideas. Number 2, you continuously need to keep researching. You must know no ina abantu bako nyoro opportunities ba chio kwenda no ina America. I'm telling you abantu bande mbali bako beko moki to the last man. You keep trying on new things all the time. Ekiagara nyo expecting naki how I do what I do kirali tuko nje mbwate routine the same. Onye toriko tembe binte binyi you beka gaduka kagu. Beka gaduka igana kabezo ko onye ko bwata kalimit ka fleeze 15,000 ose mishwali 8,000 tema cha kranse biguote kiro monta tebe agumano na tema beka kora vikanga. You know? Mahana karo monta ko ki ngai bono jeni squeeze yo. Naya. Kene kora nai kora gaduka liga kanga mutaka morra kende tengenda. You know, na boko
nyo banga mundu na bwa tu mukia kwa na wete
ma kana ya batu bata mugambi kwa kura konyo yo baito ngote mari gwete. So all I'm saying we can all the time look at the glass. Na boko ro either empty or say no. One the choice is with you. Number 2, education, our education system kinda ya affect how we also make decisions. You know, so me Bible bama to ko le class 8 or in the campus high school or in the university so walimu you come back home. You know, oganye miracle choli wa academic ase no nyako somi waikire miaka 30 kwa 35 onyome, you know, ego life continue na ebo no ole tu. Now we need to also think on how, for example, after work already onya work already degree yasa ko konyere kwa nyore means kwa chire campus kenyoro ya changire Bible be sajire. Why don't you also get now a skill hands on? You know, you really must get up to sakuligire biya bino igatemba hatora nyara ba tangazaji kite batachi at media class but they're doing well.
Yeah, sure.
They took it in as a skill. They had an interest. They learned the ropes. Here we are. Thank you. What if factually sakuligire neke no ina kopito bwarimu wa English lit I can really work as a very good videographer. So, ngainda anyore videography skills. You come and find a way of volume of zona ki bro no ko nya na nje. You know, you can start somewhere. Onyo skill because beyond what to a degree. Young people banget today if you ask them on ki aya. Nimbu atega messages and requests. Including at times even from my own brothers and sisters back in the village. Ono kubuli muntu inkyura nyare kokora. Ogote mijena somerete walimu. You know ukunoko somera but now practically nkiura nyare kokora yani oraye kuliva kabone igamutua otebya bantu nankina nyarako. So it is important for young people to also now over time understand what they can do so that they follow their passion. That's why konyoro monto kuri familia ntene nkumanya mwana enda okora baka masters oira no beche yani baka hisabu uli bono gaki imiaka yonse tu abekire chibense school ere passion ya
atigete to jago kwegeria o
mangano kuruga mapema
mwanzo boligeria ando chenga chinzani gotigana to kumnyoka gaiga turange gochigo kora ne speaker ya East Africa Assembly asamangana youth affairs amangana innovation politics na bintu binde ibirengete abasaye ekatusanga igana Bifon Magare oyo kurwase county ya Nyamira iko bana basaba bange sometimes niko tujitwe limit so long as na somera to bwalimu I cannot do anything onye tibali bwalimu that is a wrong perspective tubwenete go change yokoboko so that tuwe karakari abakonyoronde by the way in many offices Bifon akonyoranga not all people bakokorega siororo basomere the probations bakora in those offices because somebody is a secretary omuntu yo takora the secretary you know but never the secretary yes. But is delivering ikobona basae na bere bya tonyare gwetuma na tuwe karakari alafu mwegurenga there is a space a lot of space but it's we fight for our space akarito guchiko bange ngo korra tole gochu otararu ngana yawe yo mwali by the way Nyamira na ki ndibono yarenge wiki nere yarwetu ya muyo mu governor impeachment
I'm told they're discussing the impeachment motion tomorrow
Mambia
and immediately they will vote either to continue with the impeachment or to stop
Mambia
that is tomorrow
okay
yes it's a dangerous timing for us as a region kigarama by election and
by election no chire nande chiwodi isato by the Nyamira chiwodi renge
isa Nyamira bwata chiwodi 20
20 wards
yes
okay
20 wards kisi nere bwata 45
okay
chire 20 constituency nye now it's bad timing because governor part leader UPA ne bwata candidates
will concentrate na arrangements in Kenya
but you see that is a constitutional process in totora sabe no mulembe chipati chionsi nchire constitutionally mandated kokore kibakora
all right ndia mono sana rende sogo sangamo 9 kerogende tigango chisekondi 30 na wo ko na advice nke gochia sabasae na wo igo in general not only specific as abantu banyamira but in general no nyina asekisa kukyomugusi as a form of advice what we should do what we should take and in what angle should we approach issues nekere bintu bire 1 2 then torolengana ki mangana akoba.
Let me speak to all of us chakire songo tebe that the future of the world is now. There is no better time to fix the world issues. That should be done now. Seke gusiba ngene na teba chinga kichiri cyo gukora mangana ali onse konye togotebe chinga kichiri bona chabere and this entirely area upon into na bantu abake konyorari baga na gwetuma na gotema ko kubeka biye bintu kyagara twensi storuete na into ntoraikirani na bitotakire biribi tuganetike mwanya bantu lakini ndo anda tukobeka muki aso gwikirani namba ibere ntete gote yomugusi that irrespective ya sore irrespective emotions yo gwata chingani especially what chori muno bwa Thursday tare 27 ekege go chagocha no memes yura chor tare 28 tago konya mechando ya ero igo ondeta ironde kiara because of the electoral process memes yago chagochoru na ile next year bya abantu bachakire campaign ya 2027
igo bono yogo chigoso bisi ase county ya Nyamire ward ya Kerenyo ward ya Nyamaiya na boigo ward ya Nyansiongo egati bara chikokora gusine
meti yenye sita
yoka
gotokande financial year
bange kwebanga obochori bwa 2027 ono lende
so muntu tabase ko imukia itira manyinga usairo monte kiara senge njobo chori bocho kwa in one day into kyo mweli data abantu baito bagusi rightfully buna mo kebeka na onyana abatogo chiesera chitimu chingao tuwajairu for a long time so it is just but time a few mistakes ikachiko rectified right to make a decision buno mogusi yogo chamo I always hate it na mogusi to buto chamo during electoral process kinga kie chikuraro kiro muntu ateba bo mogusi chikura chiko era kiro muntu ga yoko nyole kyako nyoro oged this time round na go saba na chikura chitara tonyo era reason kyare mechando to batu buno mogusi na na bale UDA ne libata batebi bwata mechande mingi ko bana na ba support opposition to chamo we find a reasoning for one angle to kwa ne liogiri mo buno mogusi even young people no ina ba jumba baro bisi once the 13 or so members of parliament to basugume barale tamagendero fast as a financial year tigalite no ina mabaga yo bwari muna bona kuregu na mabaga yo busigari ababu tetubanywe tenya sora bakaseli abagusi banyora libaga basugume kabisa mabaga ali aje seita so that we have abasaba ke bagutigaraka batabwati mirimo
I wish ndu at the time to kwa ngani ya basigari kuligwa buba 1500 na ande bate kugenda ka abande bagate bangalende anyway tiga tutoligie platform nande liba galinde tujitukwanira manga sobeme byamana sana soko ba mu 9 asengambo Jumatatu eliane nkuru kwa dipo na sanya homogen twalingenera sembeo nigakuru kwa bifon magare oyure omo speaker korwa ase ebunge yabasaye gose East Africa chinse isano chia Africa nero le speaker gose representative igoniga twabere tugosanganere igoro magana yabasaye nga kitoranya to wikinia na kitoranya kurwanira mabagaito ase emeremo asa mangana siasa asa mangana yo wikinia na kwegendereria gendera gotengereka seni kia getembe ase emerobile yonsi tiatura na sense moyende ye studio alafu tumira na chinsenye ekaratorongo chokoletera amangana maya ye kionga chinsa inye
Omugusi mwakono Uhuru Superstores na indi yakoletire Black Friday. Black Friday next tariki ya 25 n'esatu cy'umutinyo wa 11 ninjye kumbulire